I'm Dr. Gopal Krishnan. I'm an infectious disease physician and I'm at the Vaccination Center at Apollo Chennai. Many of you have wondered how the entire vaccine process is conducted. I'm going to walk you through that whole process today. As you know, the government has rolled out the vaccine initially for healthcare workers and now added on frontline workers as well. The plan is to add on people above the age of 50 and then those under the age of 50 with comorbidities. So let's walk through the entire vaccine process. This is the waiting area where people can wait before they get vaccinated. As you can see, care has been taken to ensure that everybody is masked and there is adequate physical distancing between persons. Somebody monitors this entire process to make sure we are adherent with COVID protocols. This is Registration Officer Ms. Sharmila, who will check and verify your registration before entering. Now we are in the main vaccination area and this is the registration desk. The vaccination officer, Mr. Ganesh Raj, will confirm your documents, look at them and register you in the COVID system. It's an end-to-end solution which will be used for the planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation of COVID-19. In other words, the entire process. It will be used by all stakeholders who require the vaccine, all government departments, most importantly you, the person who's getting vaccinated and the entire vaccination team. And obviously the first step in this whole process is to pre-register on the COVID mobile app. As and when the government approves this for use by the general public, you can do this and then get vaccinated. This is the vaccination desk, and for reasons of privacy, only one person can enter at a time. This is vaccinating officer, Sister Kausalya. You can see that she is administering the COVID vaccine here. The vaccinator could be any trained medical professional, doctor, nurse, trained midwife, pharmacist. And there you can see in her hand is the COVID-19 vaccine. And it's a simple process, just a simple shot, and that's all there is to it. This is the observation room where everybody who's vaccinated needs to wait for 30 minutes after the vaccine process. As you can see, it's clean, spacious and airy. There is adequate provision here for hand hygiene, maintenance of social distancing. There is a bathroom available. There is food and water which will be provided to the vaccine recipient. As you can see, the vaccine process has gotten underway and will cover millions of people over the next few months. It's very important to perform your civic duty and take your vaccine when your turn comes up. That is the best way to halt the COVID pandemic. Until you get your vaccine, don't forget the basics. Regular hand hygiene, use your masks, and maintain 2 meters social distancing from each other. If you have more questions, please visit our website www.apollo247.com or download the mobile app Apollo 24/7. Please stay safe, please take your vaccine and don't forget to please wear your mask.